All right, in this example, we're told that we receive $10,000 and invest it in an account that pays 5.5% compounded monthly. Okay, well, because they tell us that we invest this money, I know that our principal is $10,000, and they say that the interest rate of this account is 5.5%, and that it's compounded monthly, or the number of compounds per year is 12. Okay? And they ask us how much to the nearest dollar will we have after 20 years. So the amount of time is 20. Now remember, with these formula, everything has to be in terms of years, which it is, so we're good there. And the amount here, whenever we have compound interest, our formula is going to look like this. The amount equals the principal times 1 plus the rate divided by the number of compounds, raised to the number of compounds times time. Okay? So, remember, whenever you use a rate in any of these formulas, it has to be as a decimal. So this 5.5%, I'll just take this decimal and hop them to the left. I'm going to get 0.055. So let me set up the formula. This is going to be 10,000 times 1 plus 0.055 divided by 12 raised to the 12 times 20. And I'm going to be checking this in the calculator. And so when I use a calculator and I have multiple things inside of an exponent, I always throw parentheses around there. Because I'm paranoid and I want to be really careful that everything comes out correct. So, put in 10,000, open the parentheses, 1 plus 0.055 divided by 12, close these parentheses, exponent, raise it to, open these new parentheses, 12 times 20, close these parentheses, enter, and I'm getting, what the calculator is giving me is 29,966.25562. Now the question says to round to the nearest dollar. So I have 29,966 and I look at the first place after the decimal, which is a 2. So if it's 5 or bigger, I have to add 1 to this place here, but it's 2. So all I do is chop these numbers off. And so to the nearest dollar, the amount I have in that savings account is $29,966. So there you go. If you invest $10,000 at 5.5% interest rate, compounded monthly for 20 years, after that amount of time, you should have $29,966. And that is this example.